Hello, Polar Bear here. Tonight I'm going to introduce you to my Christmas tree. It's a little bear because somebody, I won't mention evil arch conservative, forgot to get enough light, but it's adequate for now. So we got this candy Christmas cane. Yummy! We got a Hot Wheels 2022 carbonator. It opened soda bottles. Yippee! That one thing is a M&M dispenser. Now over here is a polar bear Pez. Yippee! I love Pez. We got another candy cane. It's Airheads. So yeah, I got one Christmas tree. Now we're gonna open this lock here today. Well, even as conservative is, and in the spirit of Coxie Picks, Carpy Locks. Can't say the other word because I'll get in trouble. We're gonna open this lock and then show a defect in it, maybe two. Well, thank you very much, Polar Bear. So we're going to try to open this lock. Actually, let's put the tripod up just a little higher. Yippee! So I can be seen fully! Yes, you can, Polar Bear. Yes, you can. Okay, so we have a $1 lock from Dollar Tree. It is the finest Chinesium lock you can buy. As you can see, it is painted. Got a tiny keyway. Doesn't say anything on the shackle. So let's try single pin picking this first. And yes, I got the lights for the tree, and I thought 100 would be enough, and I was wrong. And I went back a couple of days ago to the same store because it's the closest to my house, and they were out of the multicolored strands except for the garland. And yeah, we got that opened. And the garland version was only 9 feet long and like almost twice the price as what I've got on here right now, which is just 100 lights. It's supposed to be like 20 feet long. So we've got the tree in the closet because our little studio apartment is really, really tiny. So now we're going to try opening this lock with a snake rake. And sometimes it just takes me a couple of minutes. I gotta pulse sometimes to get it going. And of course I can't get it on all the way. There we go. Now this weekend, Polar Bear and I will be going to see Santa Claus and visiting the Circle of Lights at Monument Circle, which is also known as the largest Christmas tree. And of course, normally by this time I have this done raking, and of course it's wanting to be camera shy. Yeah, it's being really camera shy right now. I am holding the rake just slightly differently because it's easier to show you more action this way, but we may have to go the other way. Sorry about this, folks. Can't believe this thing is being an ass. Guess I shouldn't have said that because, well, I guess I can say because Polar Bear won't get in trouble for saying that A word. God, this is embarrassing. I've opened this thing probably 20 times this way. And no more than a minute each time, and now I can't get it open. Yeah, we know the thing about locks being camera shy. Hurry up! I'm trying, Polar Bear. I'm trying. I want my candy cane! Give me another minute, Polar Bear. Hurry! Yeah. Seriously, every time we got it. Yippee! Okay, so, now that we've gotten it open a couple of times, let's, look at this, shackle that has no wording on it. And we're going to take a, cheap file from, our Family Dollar and see what, happens when we, give it a quick, few, swipes here. Yeah, it's not quite visible yet, but it is definitely going through the chrome. Yeah, it may be a little difficult to see, but yeah, the file is definitely going through the chrome. Give me my sucker! Okay, Polar Bear. Yum, 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 yum.